Alright, we're about to drive the Ferrari 296. Pulling into... Oh, I don't even have a front lift on this. I never knew how important it was. Never knew how important that front lift was until... Hopefully this one has the front lift. It's the perfect spec and everything, but... So these are the 296s. This one, I'm driving this one in the black color. Literally you have the 812, which is so sexy. Good? Okay. Not the red F8, right? Okay.
No, this is badass with the black on black.
It's the perfect spec. And these seats are not movable, right?
No, yeah, they're carbon, so.
I can only go forward. Nice. When he showed me this, bro, I was like, this is it. All right, you could just show me the route.
Yeah. We'll leave through here.
Cool. So he didn't really show me how to.
I'll put it. So just go into it first. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm like.
Okay, it's turnover.
Yeah.
My bad.
No, you're good.
So you think this has more power than the 720S?
Oh yeah, 720's got 720 horsepower, I think.
Seats are comfortable for what it is.
Yeah.
So is there like an automatic mode in this car, or is it just?
Yeah, there is. So if you tick this up,
okay.
Now it's in auto. You don't have to
Okay,
worry about
cool. And the turns.
Yep, that'll take some getting used to.
Right. So I got left or right?
Right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm so like the muscle memory of just flicking it up.
Used to.
Yeah. But I like that.
Yeah, because your hands are always on the steering wheel.
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
really convenient. It sounds so good.
It does. It
Damn.
Sounds, yeah. And the car it has got some crazy pickup. They use the lines to move it.
That's sick. This is way cooler than a McLaren.
Way cooler. We'll go straight.
This is the perfect rally car too.
It is.
You can hear the turbo spules and everything. And the Windows controls are here, right? It's gonna take a lot of getting used to, but it's gonna be so much fun learning it. GTB. So what's is there a GTS?
The GTS is the convertible.
Oh,
Yeah.
So it's not called a Spider?
No, it's a Grand Touring Spider. That's what the S is for.
Grand Touring GTS.
Grand Touring Berlinetta, which is the coupe in Italian.
Okay. Nice. stuff. I'm excited, man. I'm really excited. I told her, I'm like, you can drive the Corvette home.
Yeah.
Or do I have to wait for him to be here?
Are you financing?
Yeah.
You're probably gonna. I mean, we probably won't have an answer till Monday.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But we can get the whole. Did you do a credit app and everything?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I did with him.
Yeah, we probably won't have an answer till Monday.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'm not in a rush. I live an hour and a half.
Oh, okay.
When I drive, it's an hour and a half. But really, it's 2 hours.
And I'll call them too when we get back just to see what the status is on everything.
Okay. So you really think like this is like worth the money?
For sure. This is the car I would buy. If I could buy a Ferrari right now, this is what I would be doing.
I mean, there's a lot of cars you can get for the amount of money that you guys have this for. So like, you think this is the best?
So I mean, what else could you get for near 300? You know, like.
Yeah, I mean, there's like Lambos, McLarens. I guess Porsches, which I think are a little inflated in prices. I think this is the best though. That does sound insane though.
The window up?
Yeah. I keep going for that. It's my muscle memory. I think it does sound insane.
It sounds really good. You get all the turbo whistles and stuff.
Yeah. Very nice. It's not like it's a twin turbo, right?
Twin turbo V6 hybrid.
Nice.
At that light, we'll take a left.
Okay. How is it on highway? Does it drone?
No.
Anything?
No. It's got 8 gears.
Oh, it's 8 gears.
Yeah. So
it'll just cruise.
Yeah, it'll literally just cruise. It'll probably hit the 8th gear soon. Just keep cruising. But yeah. At that light there, we'll take a left.
It handles really well.
The handling is the thing that I love most about this car.
Yeah.
Doesn't even come close. It feels like a go-kart.
It does. It's very responsive. It's sticky.
Yeah, and like wherever you point the steering wheel, exactly that's where it'll go. And the brakes are phenomenal.
And he told me that they were carbon ceramic brakes, so I will never have to replace them. Or at least
like 50, 60,000 miles is really your first brake job.
Okay.
Depending on the wear.
Okay.
Yeah, stay on the right lane.
All right, gotcha.
Little fork. Hopefully this guy gets out of our way.
And if you could lead me to the highway, I can get the highway.
Because it's quiet.
Okay. Okay. Fair.
You'll be able to do more here than you will on I-4.
Yeah. Fair. I-4 is horrible.
I-4 is horrible, especially this area because it's the turnpike exits right there, and then Disney's right after.
Got you. Sick car, and it's my spec too, man.
This is pretty cool. Yeah.
I can't believe I was asking him for a black F8. You know.
We'll go all the way down this road. It's kind of a crappy road, but it's quiet.
That's crazy, bro. Oh man. Oh, that's crazy. That's insane. That's awesome. It really is an experience. Like,
it really is.
Every day you wake up, you're going through an experience of driving it. I like driving.
We'll do a U-turn.
U-turn?
Yeah.
Cool. I mean, I love driving my cars. I don't baby them. I don't garage keep them. Like I just can't do that. It's just like it's like putting a tiger in a cage.
Yep.
I don't believe in that.
No, you gotta take it out. You gotta enjoy it. You know?
Absolutely. And the rallies.
Work so hard.
Yeah, and the rallies too. You know.
It'll keep pulling.
Nice.
It'll keep pulling.
Yeah, so that's the bad part.
Ridiculous.
That's the horrible part of FHP.
Yep.
Oh Lord, this is fun.
It's got all the sounds, this car.
And I like the screen on the side too.
Yeah, the passenger display is pretty cool. Like if I click the performance, I can see how fast you're going.
Yeah,
that's pretty cool. It makes the passenger a part of the drive a little bit.
My wife is always with me on the rallies,
awesome.
So she's always filming.
This is pretty cool, so she can see.
So she'll be like a part of it, you know.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Man, I think you're gonna absolutely love this car.
I know I am.
Just talking to you for the little bit that we've been talking.
Yeah, I already know.
This is like right up your alley.
I know. It's a wonderful car. It just I like a lot of exotic cars, and you know a lot of my friends have exotic cars.
Yep.
So there's so many different variants.
Yeah.
but not many of them have Ferraris.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
That's
like,
a Ferrari.
A
I mean,
lot
come
of people
on.
have the McLarens and the Lambos and stuff, but like not the Ferrari. Take it right at the light.
Sick
Also,
car.
The Ferraris are usually the hardest ones to get.
Yes, I don't even know how you guys had this.
Yeah.
The black on black with the yellow. Somebody with taste must have traded this in.
Yep. One of our really big clients.
Oh,
Yeah, the front comes up.
That's so cool. I'm so happy about this car.
Awesome,
Dang.
man. That's the reaction. I like seeing it.
Damn. Man, Ferrari just knows. They just know,
Like,
bro. They
the
know.
big finish is fantastic. Like you touch the trim, like
Yeah.
everything's like carbon,
And
aluminum.
it's so and it's so solid, it's so light. Everything feels so light. Steering wheel feels light. Car feels light.
Yep.
The throttle
Response
response is instantaneous. It feels light. It's nothing like it. I don't think I've driven anything like this.
There isn't any. Like the build quality is second to none when it comes to the Ferraris.
Absolutely, I agree with that. I feel like it's hard to be a Ferrari salesperson because the car just sells itself so easily.
So easy for me.
Yeah.
All I gotta do is put you in the car seat.
Yeah, and then you're like, you're done.
We're gonna go in the left lane. We'll keep going straight. But.
Cool. What's your favorite Ferrari model? Don't just say 296 because that's
you're looking at,
what we're in right now. Like, what's your favorite model?
Favorite out of all time is gonna be like a Pista or a Speciale.
488s are so nice.
Yeah, 48 Pista, but like not a regular 48. Like I would take this
over the
48.
48. Yeah,
I would take this. Honestly, I would probably take this over the F8 just in terms of like driving wise.
It's sick. It's sick. It looks crazy. The screen on the side. And then Apple CarPlay goes in here, correct? Once I connect it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't think the deal is anything. Like, I was expecting to come in and be like, no, take just a straight up dealer fee, taxes, and then the warranty.
We don't hide any of it, man.
Yeah.
There's no point in hiding it. There's no point in playing the game.
Like clean. He got the numbers like that too.
Yep.
I hate when I used to go to dealerships and they just take forever, and you're like,
hound you to not leave, and
And he knew I was sad because when I went for the F8 and I wanted the black F8. And then I was like, I like the F8 so much that I was really okay to like just take the red. And he was like, it's sold. He could tell. So he took me in the back. And then we found this one. And I was like, oh man, the yellow stitching.
The yellow horse on there is great. And you have the yellow stitching on the steering wheel too.
Yes, but the maintenance, the 7 years of maintenance
that's huge.
It's such a good deal though. I think that's worth it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I like working here, man. The cars that we sell are good products.
Yeah.
The Ferrari stands behind them.
Absolutely.
And we try to make a fun experience. Like this isn't a need. This is a toy. You know, you got to have fun throughout the whole process.
But what's funny though is it's kind of my business. My business is surrounded around cars, exotic cars. I do videos for rallies and
nice.
And so I want to get an exotic car, but one that I can rally.
Yeah.
You know, everyone's concern is, oh, what if it breaks?
Yeah,
you can just pull up to Ferrari and
here you're completely covered. I mean, honestly, if you're driving the car and you're using it, you're not gonna have any issues. The issues when like the cars stay parked.
Yeah, absolutely. Very nice. Very nice.